This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty. The analysis reflects legal commentary based on publicly available information at the time of the publication. Today's proceedings mark a crucial transition in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial as the state resumed control of the courtroom after a conclusion of Bongani Ntanzi's testimony. The courtroom atmosphere reflected a shift from defense-driven narrative back to prosecution-led reconstructions of events. Rebuilding momentum. The prosecution introduced a new witness, Sergeant Thabo Mosai, a police officer central to the investigative process. His role was not to describe the murder itself, but to reinforce how the case was built through evidence collection, handling, and tracing of suspects. What the witness actually proved. Mosia's testimony focused on procedure. He outlined investigative steps and confirmed how the evidence moved through official channels. However, he did not provide direct evidence identifying the killer or placing any accused at the scene of the new way. Where the case gets tense, the real tension emerged when the defense began cross-examining. They questioned whether Mosia's knowledge was first-hand or based on reports from others. The distinct matter because indirect evidence carried less weight in court. Chain of events. At the heart of today's proceedings was the integrity of the evidence itself. The defense probed for weaknesses in how evidence was handled, suggesting that any break in the chain could render key parts of the state case unreliable. No bombshell, but not quite day. While there was no dramatic revelation, today was far from insignificant. It was a foundational day where the state attempted to solidify its case structure, while the defense quietly exposed potential cracks. The bigger picture. The state is still trying to connect all elements into a clear narrative of the coordinated killing. However, without direct, uncontested evidence, the case continues to rely on influence and previously challenged material. Audience impact. Today didn't answer who killed Senzo Meyiwa. Instead, it raised more dangerous questions for the prosecution. Can the evidence itself be trusted? That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching The Sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.